Are you struggling to get your website noticed on search engines, or maybe you're seeing the traffic you want but can't seem to climb higher in rankings? Well, there's a solid foundation you need to build to help your website stand out. We're talking about technical SEO, the backbone of any successful website strategy. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know to master the technical aspects of SEO so you can increase your visibility and climb those search engine rankings. If you're ready to take control of your website's success, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable tips. Let's jump right into it. What is technical SEO? When we talk about SEO, many people think of content creation, link building, or social media strategies, but technical SEO is the silent but powerful force behind the scenes that supports everything else. It's the practice of optimizing your website's technical aspects to help search engines crawl, index, and rank your pages effectively. Think of your website as a big city. You want the search engine bots to be able to navigate easily without getting lost in traffic or stuck on broken roads. Technical SEO ensures your website is built in a way that allows these bots to move efficiently. Why technical SEO matters? Let's break it down further. Even the best content won't help if your website is hard to navigate for both users and search engines. Think about it. If Google's bots can't access your website's content, your pages won't rank. If they can't understand your website's structure, your site could miss out on valuable traffic. Moreover, without a strong technical foundation, other aspects of SEO, like on-page optimization and off-page efforts, won't fully reach their potential. Technical SEO sets the stage for everything else to perform better, and that's why it's crucial to focus on it early in your website building process. Key elements of technical SEO. Now that you understand why technical SEO is so important, let's explore the key elements that form the foundation. Website architecture and URL structure. One of the most critical elements of technical SEO is your website's structure. A clean, organized structure makes it easier for search engines to crawl and understand your content. It's like setting up an address book. You want each page to be easy to find, clearly labeled, and connected logically. Start by ensuring your website has a clear and logical URL structure. Ideally, your URLs should be short, descriptive, and free from unnecessary characters. For example, instead of example.com/post123, you might want example.com/technical-SEO-guide. This makes it easy for both users and search engines to understand what the page is about. Do you think your current URL structure is optimized? Drop a comment below and let's discuss how we can improve it together. Crawlability and indexability. Once your website has a clean architecture, it's essential to make sure search engine bots can actually crawl and index your pages. Without this step, no matter how great your content is, it will be invisible to Google and other search engines. To ensure crawlability, you need to check your robots.txt file. This file tells search engines which pages they can and cannot crawl. Make sure you're not blocking important pages that you want indexed. Alongside that, ensure that your XML sitemap is up to date. This is a roadmap for search engines, guiding them to the most important pages on your website. Mobile optimization. We all know that more and more users are browsing the web on their smartphones. In fact, mobile-first indexing is now a priority for search engines, meaning Google will first look at your mobile site version before your desktop version when determining rankings. If your website isn't optimized for mobile, not only will it hurt the user experience, but it could also directly impact your SEO rankings. That's why it's essential to have a responsive design where your site adapts to any screen size, whether it's a phone, tablet, or desktop. Page speed. We've all been there, waiting for a page to load only to abandon it out of frustration. Page speed is crucial, both for user experience and SEO. If your website takes too long to load, visitors will leave and search engines will notice. A slow loading page can negatively affect your bounce rate and decrease the time people spend on your site. To improve page speed, consider compressing images, using a content delivery network, and minifying your CSS and JavaScript files. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights can help you diagnose and fix issues that slow down your site. Secure website. Security is another key aspect of technical SEO. Not only does a secure website build trust with your visitors, but Google also gives preference to secured websites over non-secure sites. To make your website more secure, install an SSL certificate, which encrypts the connection between your website and its visitors, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected. This is a ranking factor for Google, so if you haven't made the switch to HTTPS yet, now's the time. Structured data and schema markup. Search engines want to understand your content deeply, and structured data helps them do just that. By adding schema markup to your pages, you're giving search engines more detailed information about your content, like product prices, event dates, ratings, and more. This can enhance your search results with rich snippets. Those extra details you often see in search results that make a page stand out, like review stars, product availability, or specific event timings. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference in your visibility. Fixing broken links. Imagine clicking on a link only to find it leads to a 404 error page. It's not only frustrating for users, but also harmful to your SEO. Broken links, whether internal or external, send a signal to search engines that your website might be unreliable. Regularly check for and fix broken links on your site to ensure a smooth user experience and prevent any negative SEO effects. Tools like Screaming Frog or Google Search Console can help you identify and fix these broken links quickly. Duplicate content. Duplicate content is a sneaky problem that can hurt your website's SEO performance. It happens when the same content appears on multiple pages, either within your site or across different websites. Search engines don't like duplicate content because it can confuse them about which page to rank. Use canonical tags to indicate the preferred version of a page when duplicate content is unavoidable. Also, avoid creating similar content across multiple pages, as this dilutes the SEO value. Core Web Vitals. Core Web Vitals are essential performance metrics introduced by Google to evaluate the user experience of a web page. These metrics focus on how real users interact with a site, and they directly impact how Google ranks web pages. The three main Core Web Vitals metrics are largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. Largest contentful paint measures how long it takes for the largest visible content element, such as an image or text block, to load on the screen. A fast largest contentful paint is critical because it indicates that users can start engaging with the main content of the page quickly. To ensure a good largest contentful paint, aim for a loading time of less than 2.5 seconds. First input delay measures how quickly the page responds when a user interacts with it, such as by clicking a link or pressing a button. A low first input delay ensures that users don't experience any lag or delay when they try to interact with your page. A good first input delay is considered to be less than 100 milliseconds. Cumulative layout shift tracks how stable a page layout is during the loading process. It helps to prevent content from shifting unexpectedly, causing users to click on the wrong element or lose their place on the page. A low cumulative layout shift ensures a smooth, visually stable experience as the page loads. Google recommends keeping cumulative layout shift below 0.1 for a good user experience. Improving these Core Web Vitals can directly enhance the overall user experience on your site. If your website performs well on these metrics, users will have a smoother, faster, and more enjoyable experience, which could lead to lower bounce rates and higher engagement. As a result, optimizing Core Web Vitals has become a key part of technical search engine optimization and is crucial for maintaining and improving search engine rankings. By focusing on improving these core metrics, webmasters can ensure their sites offer fast, responsive, and visually stable experiences for users, which is increasingly important in the world of search engine optimization. How to get started with technical SEO. After covering the basics of technical SEO, you may be wondering where to begin. The most effective way to do this is to routinely analyze your website utilizing SEO tools such as Google Search Console, Screaming Frog, or RFs. These tools will provide you with a complete understanding of what is functioning well and what requires enhancement. Begin with the fundamentals. Verify the speed, security, and mobile compatibility of your website. After that, address problems such as broken links and enhanced crawlability. After you have addressed the basic problems, you can proceed to more complex methods such as structured data, optimizing for Core Web Vitals, and improving your URL structure. Technical SEO is the basis that will assist in improving your website's position in search engine results and increasing the amount of organic traffic it receives. The work you put into these technical areas will not only boost your visibility on search engines, but it will also better the user experience, which will lead to increased engagement and conversions. If you're already implementing some of these technical SEO tips, I'd love to hear about your experience. What's been the most challenging part for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more SEO insights and tips. Keep building that solid foundation and the rankings will follow. See you next time.